Hey, hi everyone, this is Vidya here from BagyaTech Technology. Am I audible clearly to everyone? Okay, then let's get started with the session. Okay, so in the last session for SQL, we have covered like if we want to extract some of the particular columns from the database, okay, then we need to give a keyword select. Then after that, the name of all the columns that we want to select, okay, and then from which table, okay. So from would be the keyword, and then after that the name of the table. Okay, similarly if we want to extract out certain rows from the column, then in that case we need to give certain conditions. Okay, so for that also the generalized form in which it is given is you need to first write the select statement. Okay, select, then after that the name of the columns, then from which table do you want to select. So the next keyword would be from, then after that the name of the table, then would be the condition on which you want to do the like on which basis you want to extract out the things. Okay, so where would be the clause that you would be using if you want to extract out certain rows out of the column, sorry, out of the table. Okay, now while yesterday doing so, what we have done is, if suppose say I want to extract out, okay, I guess we have done for the contact table, wherein like the condition over there which I have given to you is you need to take out or you need to extract out such rows from the table contact in which the first name of the people are either Hattie, Pearson or Peter, right? So in the last session I told you, if you are going to give a string over there, okay, in the search criteria, or in like this is the condition. If you are putting a string over there, then for that cases you need to provide the string in the single quotes. Okay, and if you are giving to extract out the things onto some integers, then you need not give this like single inverted comma. Okay, so that is not required. Okay, so then after that we have also done for the in keyword. Okay, so in keyword was used when we give certain list. Okay, that from this like we have used it for Hattie, Pearson and Peter. Okay, so from these three I want the list, or I want the result for these three people, wherein there is a list in the search condition, then you need to give the keyword in. Okay, so I guess this was the last thing that we have done for yesterday, or anything else that we have done. I guess this was the only thing that we have done for yesterday. Okay, so now what I want you to do is from the contact table. Okay, we have done also as, okay, yes, that was like if you want to set an alias name for a particular column. Okay, and we have also done the concatenation of two columns. Okay, adding up two columns and making a single column. Okay, and then renaming it. So it is not necessary that you need to rename only after doing the concatenation. You can rename any of the column. Okay, let me just send a link to one of your participant is not able to enter. Give me a second. Okay. So then for today, I want you to do like to extract out the rows from a column, the rows from the contact table where the contact ID it is between 10 and 25. Have we done this thing? Are we done with this? Between and keyword? No, we are not done. Okay. See, my question is, extract out the rows from the contact table where the contact ID is between 10 and 25. Sorry. See, let me tell you that for this you would need to give the keywords as between and. Okay, with the where condition. So do you want me to write down the things, write down the query, or you want to try it on your own? I've also told you the hint also, like you have to use the keywords between and. Hasna, you are saying less than 25. No, less than 25 would be from 1 to 25, right? So it would take everything which is less than 25, and that would be starting from 1, correct? But I'm saying you, I don't want from 1 to 9. Okay, I want starting from 10. Okay, if the contact ID is 10, then I want for 10 till contact ID 25. Okay, Samantha, you got it? That's good. See how you have to do it. So what we want to select out, we're getting 7 records. Okay, I have not done it. Let me also do then. What we need to do is, we want to select certain records. Suppose say I want to take out, and that too from the table which is named as the contact. Okay, now from this contact table, let me take out the contact ID. Okay, this is one thing that I want because I have to put the condition on that. Okay, and then let me take out the first name also. Okay, from this table contact where your contact ID it is between 10 and 25. Hasna, yes, you can give star also, because I have not given you like what all columns do you want to select. Okay, so you can give star also. In that case, you would be getting each and every column for the particular rows that would be extracted out. Okay. So now execute it. So see, I'm getting some 7 records, right? And that too, these are between, see, the contact ID is either 13, 17, 20, 10, 18, 15, 25. Okay. So these all are between 10 and 25 only. Okay, these 7 records which are present over here. Clear? So if you want to, if you are given a range, okay, to extract out the things, like over here, I was given a range that I need to take out the records which are lying between the range of 10 and 25. Okay, so if you are given a range, then in that case, with the where condition, you need to use the keywords between and. Okay, and if you are given certain particular list, like as in we were given for in the last class, I told you that you need to extract out the records where the first name is Hattie, Pearson and Peter. Okay, so these 3 are the list that I gave you, that only for these 3 people you need to take out the records. Okay. Okay, so yes, so if you are given certain list, then you need to use the keyword in with the where clause. Okay, where is mandatory because the where clause is used to extract out the rows. Okay, so where is mandatory, but after where, it depends. If you are given a range, then you should use the keywords as between and if you are given certain list, then you should use the keyword in. Okay, so I would say that in keyword is used if you are given certain list of the things to be extracted out. Okay, and between and the and keyword, they are used if you are given certain range. Okay, now see over here, these contact ID which are visible over here, these contact IDs, okay, let us not okay, we can put the order over here also. Okay, in the same thing, like in the same query, now what I want is, I want to arrange these contact IDs in a particular way. Okay, either these contact IDs, they should be in the ascending format or they should be in the descending format, because see over here they are neither in the ascending nor in the descending way. Okay, so what I want now is, I need to arrange these things. Okay, so if you need to arrange the data of a particular column either in the ascending or in the descending format, then there is one more clause which is used, and that clause is known as order by. Okay, so now order by, you need to arrange the things, or you need to arrange the things you need to put the things of which column in the format. So I want to do it for the contact ID. So after order by clause, we need to give the name of the column on which we want to do the formation. Okay, so for now I want to do it on the contact ID. Okay, and now execute it. Okay, so now see, it's in the ascending format. See, if you are not giving anything after the order by, like you are not putting any of the keyword, like you want to arrange it in the ascending or in the descending format, then by default it will arrange the data of the column in the ascending format. Now if suppose say you want the data to be formatted in the descending way, okay, then you need to put the keyword DESC, that are the 4 initials of the descending word. Okay, and now execute it again. So now the things would be in the descending way over here in the contact ID. Okay, so by default it would arrange the things in the ascending format, and if you want to arrange the things in the descending way, then you need to give a keyword which is having the first 4 initials of descending word. Okay, that is DESC. Okay, so if you want to try out this one, then just quickly do it on your systems, and then we can move forward with the other things. Okay, so everyone is done with this thing. Okay, so we can move on to the other things. Now see, after this, like we have done up till now, what we have done is we are doing simple commands, okay, wherein like these are the format in which the commands are to be written. Okay, so this is the basic format, but after this there are certain aggregate functions also, okay, which are to be used on to a table. Okay, if suppose say like I want to find out a maximum value or the minimum value which is present in a particular column, or if I want to add up all the values which are present in the column, then for all those things these aggregate functions are used. Okay, and these aggregate functions, they can be performed only on columns. Okay, they cannot be performed on rows. Okay, now what are these aggregate functions, what are the different types of aggregate functions, and how to use them? Let us try to understand that. But before that, okay Dirk, you are there, so let me tell you, see, you are given with the link, okay, to join in the session, and every day you need to